Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Zoho Payroll account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Zoho Payroll Login. Scroll down a little bit. There you can see Zoho Payroll, or directly go to payroll.zoho.in. Then from the top right corner you can see Sign In option. Click to it. There enter your email address or your mobile number. Then click Next. Enter your password, then you will be able to access your Zoho Payroll. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.